Welcome to Manjula Dhevi Murugesan Software Training Center. This is a demo video. Okay, in this video, how to do create piping and analysis in the Keyset 2 software. Okay, so actually, first, if you want to do piping, first either we need to create your piping in this software, or you can create in SP3D or any other softwares. Okay, from there you can import it. Okay, that thing will teach you. Okay, everything. So, and if you want how to create a simple here, just for a demo purpose, just I have used simple pipe routing only. So then we can place your bend, rigid, okay, expansion joint, reducer, SIFs and T's. Then how to use restraint hangers, everything we will teach. Okay, so here there are so many options are available, each and everything we will see. Wind load, how to give wind load, and temperature. Okay, temperature 1, temperature 2, pressure, everything we will teach. After doing teaching, just we will check for our this one. Okay, edit static load, how to edit your loads. Then we will go for batch run. Okay, here only we are going to do our stress report. Just I click to this one. Okay, just since I didn't give anything, just it's showing some warning. Okay, but while we are working, this thing will be eliminated. Okay, while teaching. So just I'm going to select only load case and give finish. See, now we have got the load case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, we can give what are item to need to check, that thing, and all how to create that this one cases we will teach in the classes. Okay, thank you.